Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top tips to improve your practical wisdom and live a life full of purpose and passion. We all have this incredible potential within us, this wellspring of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Today, we're going to explore how to tap into that power, how to make choices that align with our values, and how to navigate the complexities of life with grace and intention. If you're ready to transform your life, stay tuned. Imagine this. You're rushing through your day, thoughts racing, to-do list overflowing, and you're just on autopilot. Sound familiar? It's easy to get caught up in the hustle, but true wisdom emerges when we cultivate mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being fully present in this moment, right here, right now. It's about noticing the taste of your food, the feeling of the sun on your skin, the emotions that rise and fall within you without judgment. When we're truly present, we can hear our inner voice more clearly, we can respond to situations with more thoughtfulness, and we make decisions from a place of awareness rather than reactivity. So, how do we practice mindfulness? Start small. Dedicate a few minutes each day to just sit and breathe. Pay attention to your breath as it enters and leaves your body. As thoughts come up, acknowledge them and let them go, gently guiding your attention back to your breath. You can practice mindfulness anytime, anywhere. While you're walking, eating, or even washing the dishes, it's about bringing your full attention to the present moment and finding stillness amidst the noise of life. We live in a world overflowing with information, but wisdom goes beyond just accumulating facts. It's about seeking knowledge that resonates with your soul, knowledge that challenges your perspectives and helps you grow. Read books that ignite your curiosity. Dive into topics that fascinate you. Don't limit yourself to one genre or perspective. Explore different cultures, different philosophies, different ways of thinking. Take courses, attend workshops, and never be afraid to ask questions. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn. Listen to the stories of others, learn from their experiences, and be open to different viewpoints. Knowledge is a lifelong pursuit, a journey of continuous learning and expansion. Embrace it. Chapter 3. Reflect on experiences. Every experience, every interaction, every triumph, and every setback holds valuable lessons. But we often rush through life without taking the time to truly reflect on these experiences. Set aside time each day, even just a few minutes, to journal about your day. What went well? What challenges did you face? How did you react? Don't shy away from difficult emotions or uncomfortable truths. Reflecting on these moments with honesty and courage is where the real growth happens. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this situation? How can I use this experience to make wiser choices in the future? Reflection is a powerful tool for self-awareness and personal growth. It allows us to learn from our mistakes, celebrate our victories, and pave the way for a more fulfilling future. Chapter 4. Cultivate empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about stepping outside of our own perspective and truly seeing the world through the eyes of another. Empathy is the foundation of compassion, and it's essential for making wise and ethical decisions. Practice active listening. When someone is sharing their story, truly listen without interrupting or imposing your own opinions. Try to understand their perspective, even if it differs from your own. Ask clarifying questions, validate their feelings, and show genuine empathy. Remember, everyone is fighting their own battles, facing their own challenges. Cultivating empathy allows us to connect with others on a deeper level, build stronger relationships, and create a more compassionate world. Chapter 5. Set clear goals. Having clear goals gives us direction and purpose. It helps us focus our energy, make conscious choices, and create a life that aligns with our values. Think about what truly matters to you. What are your passions? What kind of impact do you want to make on the world? Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Write down your goals and revisit them regularly. Track your progress, celebrate your accomplishments, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, your goals are your own. Don't be afraid to dream big, to pursue your passions with unwavering determination. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Remember, practical wisdom is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to a life of purpose and passion. Start incorporating these practices into your daily life and witness the transformative power of practical wisdom.